What is going on, guys? Today we have a sandwich and we're gonna eat it. This time we're not gonna have any interruptions.
So let's get started. 3, 2, 1, go!
That's good.
He's already slowing down. Your iPad's gonna die. Hurry up. Oh, there he is. There he is. Oh, snap. Ah! Milk. Whoa. Colin, why?
It's hot.
Why would you do that? You're at 55 seconds almost. You're at 55. That is so nasty, Colin.
I got the leaking cup.
Huh?
I got the leaking cup.
Okay. Come on, Colin. One more bite. Just throw it all in there. Throw it all in there. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Dude, it's pretty hot.
He's crying.
It's like 400 degrees, dude.
Don't forget the egg. And he's done, but he has to finish it.
What's this? I spend it how I like.
Guys, that is the time.
Sorry, guys, it was burning hot. I'm literally crying.
I'll turn up my brightness because you can't see jack crap.
Literally, guys, I'm crying.
That's how long it took, guys.
I'm crying right now. It was so hot. If it was colder, I could eat it in like a freaking minute.
Always an excuse, isn't it?
Stop. That's not even funny, dude. It's hot.
Okay.
Where the cheese curd did it go? Okay. We're gonna see how long this takes for me to drink this.
Now he's gonna drink the milk.
Come on! Time the damn thing!
I don't need to.
Sure you do.
No, I don't.
Why not?
This is milk. Just
Alright, ready?
drink it. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3. 3.5 seconds.
Can't kill my vibe. I bet I could beat you at chugging, but not eating. Literally, I could beat anyone at chugging.
Alrighty, guys.
But I could not beat you at coffee, because I would drink like this at coffee. Ah! Ah! I hate coffee. I hate coffee. It's nasty. It's freaking hot.
It's freaking hot. No crap.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. Please smack that like button. Subscribe to me. Go subscribe to my brother, Mace Musburger. Goodbye. Wait. Are you still recording? No, it's not. Let me see.
God, it's still recording.
Okay, bring on me. Leave me in the comment what I should do next. Like anything besides the little Target's Gummy Bear, because we already took the head off of it. I'll show you it. Come on, guys. Kick in my vibe. Kick in my vibe. That's how much we ate out of it, you boys. Look at how thick the freaking thing is.
Should I take a big bite out of it?
Should I? Leave me in the comment whose bite is bigger. Ready? Let me take mine now. Oh, that's a big one, man.
Colin? Mason. Colin? Mason.
Get up to me, guys.
Huh.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video, like I said earlier. Go subscribe to my brother. Leave me a comment what I should do next.
Bye-bye.
Hey, don't steal my outro, you!
That was some good gummy bear.